Hey, what's up you guys, it's your pal Brian here. Welcome you to another episode of my channel. Now, if you're new, if you haven't subscribed yet, then I'm inviting everybody to please do so by typing in my name. That's Brian Kabigo. And if you want a dose of fashion on Instagram, then you can follow me at Kabigo Brian as well. Lastly, if you want to get notified in the future, then you can hit that bell button to your left down below. Now that's pretty basic, and I think that we can now move on to what we're going to be unraveling for today's vlog, which is Uiisii's TW-S60 True Wireless Earphones. Now, speaking of true wireless earphones are priced these days, Uiisii is just simply changing the game pace by offering you quality, affordable products that won't rip up your pockets. Having that said, Uiisii's price point is just under and less than $100. So how cool is that? And what's even cooler about it is that Uiisii is offering you a wide array of products for you to check out by simply heading onto the website at www.uiisii.com, which I'll be posting the link down in the description box. Then moving on to the product here, we're going to be unpacking Uiisii's bestseller, which is the Uiisii TW-S60 True Wireless Earphones. And then as we check out the box here, you can see that it has a much bigger packaging compared to its competitors, but nevertheless it still houses the same contents that you get from an earphone. Also in the back, you get to see the audio information that you have to know about the product, so that's a good thing. And as we lift this up and as we unravel what's inside it, you get to see the two main attractions, which are the protective charging case that juices up your earbuds for up to 15 to 20 hours of playtime in full, and of course the pair of earbuds that gives you that 3D hi-fi stereo sound quality, giving you that perfect balance of mids and highs every time you listen to tracks to your earphones. Now, as we have a closer look here, you can see that silicone material covering your earbuds that gives you that IPX5 resistance, making it sweat resistant. So be it a sweat session at the gym, camping, traveling, or whatever recreational activity you're doing, you know for a fact that this is definitely the best pair that you'll love to go with. Now, checking the other inclusions of the product, you get to have a power cord here, of course, to charge a protective power charging case. You get to have two extra earbuds as well, and of course the manual that gives you the other functionalities of the product. Now moving on, and speaking of connectivity, Uiisii offers you the most advanced Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity or connection that allow you to pair up to any device instantaneously. So be it an iOS or an Android, you know for sure that there's nothing getting in the way. Now, having all those things said, if I were to distill it down to a number for its outfit in a nutshell, this is just the best, most affordable earphones you'll ever need. Now, if you're still unconvinced, then you can head over to the website at www.uiisii.com to go see it for yourselves. Also, you can use my code KabigoBrian, all in uppercase, for that extra 10% off your purchase. Now, thank me later. Now, that sums up my vlog for today. I hope you got one or two things from it. Once again, this has been your inboxer, Brian Kabigo, signing off. God bless and cheers.